What is up, you guys? It is currently 2:45. Come break into the Camaro with me, and I'll explain later, but I'm currently on a U-Haul trailer, so I might have the key, but I can't get into that door. So you're gonna watch how I do this. But I gotta hit the ignition in there. So I have to reach that button to roll down the window because I need that camera mount. Got it. I just want you all to see this stacker that's parked on the side of the road real quick. I ever so kindly want to steal that. All right, well, we just fueled up in someplace in Missouri. Yay. Also, Barkley doesn't know what to do. He thought we were getting tater tots, I have a feeling, and we've been in the car for like 4 hours, 5 hours, so. Sorry, dude. He looks so unamused right now. Hi, Bubba's. Hi. Camaro's back there. She's all dirty and everything. I've gotten compliments, which is nice. And we're gonna keep trucking along. We're currently driving through St. Louis. I've never been here before. We're just gonna keep going. Sorry, guys. St. Louis is not for me. Barkley's over this drive. He's never done a car ride further than Sonic. Gosh darn it. Well, we got through Missouri, and I was like, holy crap, it's getting hot in this truck. Like, so hot that I had to take my boots off. And I was like, okay, this is hot. I'm hot. That means Barkley's hot. We need to get him in the U-Haul if he's gonna overheat like that. So we pulled over and I put him in the U-Haul along with Poochie because she's in the back seat. Come to find out, my AC just doesn't work anymore. That's great, love that. It was always crappy before, but it didn't like break. So now my mom ever so kindly bought Barkley a little fan for the truck, and he's living his best life now. Okay, I cannot hide the truck any longer. I have to show you what Dave's Detail did before I left Wichita. Feels like death in that truck. But while I'm here, I'm gonna say huge shout out to Dave's Detail for doing this stripe on this truck to match the Camaro because it looks so good. I freaking love this setup. He gave me the thumbs up. He likes it. I no more than drove 2 minutes into Louisville and almost got hit by a truck and a trailer coming over into my lane, and then I like kind of stepped on the brakes because I don't need the Camaro going all willy-nilly, and there was a car flying up, and I was just like, no, please don't, not now. We've waited like 14 hours to get into an accident now and total both my cars. No, thank you. So we're like 5 minutes out of Bardstown, and ever since we crossed state lines for Kentucky, Barkley has been like on point for outside. Like, he just wants to see everything. And I don't know if it's the trees, the hills, or if he's getting motion sick because he's used to going in a flat straight line from Kansas. So I don't know, but that's really exciting. I much as I do.
Because it's missing.
Yeah. Man, it feels like heaven out here after you've been in there. It's hot. What is up, you guys? Whole different scenery. Obviously, I'm in my truck. I'm all settled into Kentucky. It was a long 4 days, but we're here. I'm super excited, and I start my job tomorrow.